This RE/MAX Ultimate Coastal Properties property video is presented by Denise Sanchez. 1 acre of tranquility awaits you. This 3-bedroom 2-bath 2016 manufactured home has been well cared for. New easy flow septic system installed in 2017. Property has 2 storage sheds along with a 40-feet metal container used as a shop which has 220 electric which runs underground. Property is fenced, would be great for someone who loves to garden. For more information, review the details below or contact Denise Sanchez at 541-425-7494.